What's up guys, Donovan Wagner here, and I am back with another video. It's been way too long, I know it. I'm starting to miss you guys, and I'm sure you're probably missing me too. Regardless, I'm back, and let's get right back into things with 5 tips for shooting natural light portraits.
You know you wanna feel it, you know you wanna see it. Electricity gonna flow. We pushing up the ceiling. Tell me what you're dreaming.
If you guys are anything like me, now that spring is here and showing its face, we have some sunshine, it just gets me so excited for summer photo shoots. So I'm gonna get you guys prepped up to go kill those summer shoots this year, and starting with tip number 1. Choose your shoot times according to where the sun is at. So I know it's exciting when it's plus 30 to head outside and do some photos, but if you're going out at 1 or 2 in the afternoon in the summertime, that sun is straight above your subject and you're gonna get nasty shadows under the eyes. So unless you're shooting in a shaded area or downtown somewhere, try to shoot your portrait sessions later in the evening, probably 7 or 8 p.m. even in the summertime. And that just allows the sunlight to come down nice and low and you can backlight your subject for perfection. Which leads me right into tip number 2, which is backlighting your subject. So this has worked super well for me. It's a personal taste, but I'm just gonna throw it out there as my tip for you guys to backlight your subject any chance you can in those summer outdoor photo shoots, which means place your subject between you and the sun and let that sun just flood in from behind, get those lens flares in there, you're gonna love it. Tip number 3, roll with it. You're not in a studio anymore, the lighting is not completely controlled by yourself, so use it for your benefit. Get really creative, think about how you're gonna place your subject with shadows or speckled light coming through the trees. This is a chance to really push yourself out of your comfort zone and not be in control of everything, yet come out with an amazing finished product. Tip number 4, so you're a control freak. You wanna be more in control of the light, no problem. Simple as opening your garage door, setting your subject inside a shaded area looking out towards the light, and this can surprise you actually. It can look very much like a studio photo, especially if you're placing a backdrop behind your subject. I recommend you guys to try this. My 5th and final tip, go explore. That's the beauty of summer portraits out in the wilderness, wherever you want to go. Don't always resort back to the one location you know best. Get out there and just try new places, guys. I hope this helps you guys get set up for some awesome summer photography. If you guys have any more questions for me, feel free to leave a comment below. Follow along on Instagram at donovan.n.wagner. Super straightforward, just my name. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.